A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on your feet. C is for cat, who says meow. D is for dog, who says bow wow. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, who swims all day. G is for goat with a funny bleat. H is for hat you wear on the street. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jug that holds juice for your tongue. K is for kite flying in the sky. L is for lion with a roar so high. M is for monkey swinging in the tree. N is for nest where eggs like to be. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for pencil, to draw just right. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rabbit hopping up and down. S is for sun shining bright and hot. T is for train that goes chugga chugga lot. U is for umbrella, the rain is fun. V is for violin, to play and run. W is for whale swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, playing happily. Y is for yo-yo, up and down it goes. Z is for zebra, with stripes in rows.